There are so many times कि हम बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग किस्म की जो पेंटिंग्स होती हैं वो सिर्फ हम अपने घरों में इंजॉय नहीं करना चाहते, वी विश वी कुड एक्चुअली वेयर देम। और इंटरनेशनली तो आपने देखा होगा कि वैन गो की बहुत सारी पेंटिंग्स को आप अपने बैग्स पे, अपने कपड़ों पे इन्फ्यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो आई हैव ऑलवेज वंडर्ड व्हाई नॉट द ब्रिलियंट पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट। हमारा जो इम्प्रेशनिस्ट वर्क है जो ख़ास तौर पे हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को, हमारे कल्चर स्केप को डिपिक्ट करता है, हमारी बड़ी ज़बरदस्त चीज़ों को आगे लेके चलता है, why are we not promoting it the way it can be? And it almost felt like, एक बड़ी ज़बरदस्त खबर मुझे पता ये चली कि now my dear friend Huma is doing exactly that. She's had a wonderful experience as an interior designer, as somebody who's into aesthetics and into interiors and office spaces हो या बाहर के घर हों उसको बड़े खूबसूरती से सजाती हैं। तो she's been working with artists for a very long time. So as an art curator now she's taken it a step forward and is bringing these to life through fashion. तो आइए ज़रा इसके बारे में मज़ीद जानते हैं। हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं हुमा रेहान मिर्ज़ा, who's a co-TST Design House. कैसी हैं आप?
I'm good. Thank you for having me here today.
This is amazing and I hope that you've brought something for me to wear as well.
I have actually.
ये देखिए shamelessly मैंने खुद ही मांग लिया. But what a brilliant idea. हुमा, how long have you been toying around with this idea? और आपको क्यों लगता था कि ये एक बहुत बड़ा गैप है, उसको फिल करना चाहिए?
So it was last year. I was only curating art. और मैं आर्टिस्ट के पास, मशकूर साहब के पास, सलमान फारूकी साहब के पास, I used to go collect art, Khosrow Sabzwari साहब के साथ, and then I would see the paintings and gorgeous paintings, beautiful, and I would see कि men are playing polo and Darvesh Admi, and I'd be like, I'm the fourth daughter, a house full of girls, so I was like, I think you can incorporate girls. तो they were like, it's a good idea. तो वो prints उन्होंने हमारी कंपनी के लिए बनाए, TSD के लिए। 2 लड़कियां जैसे सारा और हुमा are playing polo, are riding a boat. So those prints I was like, do I have your permission that I can print them on shirts, because अब sustainable fashion इतना आया हुआ है। And I said, it can be a gap that can be bridged between art is so expensive, it is a luxury, so just bringing it for everybody to enjoy. So they were like, why not? So once I had their permission, then I
think this is such a brilliant idea. हुमा, मुझे ये बताइएगा कि जब हम बात करते हैं of bringing these arts to life और ख़ास तौर पे ख़वातीन, why do you think that women have been missing from this scene for the last 20 years? और ये चीज़ मैं बांग्लादेश में नहीं देखती, इंडिया में नहीं देखती. Even if I look at the GCC countries, they have not only celebrated women in the traditional roles, बल्कि वहाँ पे जो outliers भी हैं, people who have defeated all odds and come in the forefront, उनको भी बड़े अच्छे से celebrate किया जाता है. For some odd reason, women have not been a part of the popular culture that way in Pakistan.
I did notice that, I did feel that, and especially because मैं दुबई में रहती हूँ, तो जब मैं यहाँ बहुत आना शुरू हुई, and I saw that actually it's so progressive, women are doing so much, whether वो घर से कोई business हो, whether वो, तो I was just like this is a perfect way to give back to the community and to celebrate. So and there's no better way than artists acknowledging it.
Yes,
क्योंकि वो हमारा culture है, we are so rich in culture, and famous renowned artists just recognizing that and appreciating that, then just our beauty.
Absolutely.
So I thought that it's a great way to.
I think it definitely is. मुझे ये बताइए कि people who'd like to get their hands on this meaningful, environmental friendly, sustainable fashion, how can they get in touch with you?
So we have an Instagram page by the name of Wear Times TSD. We have a website, and the pricing is very friendly. It's very economical. Catering to everyone, because the whole point is to bridge the gap.
I think more importantly, if I could use my own my own weight around it, मुझे लगता है कि individually तो आप लोग ज़रूर ख़रीदें, पर अगर कोई पाकिस्तानी company owners ये इस वक्त हमारा program देख रहे हैं, this in my opinion makes for a perfect corporate gift, especially if you're an organization that believes in diversity, especially an organization that believes in women empowerment, women of Pakistan's empowerment, then this makes a perfect corporate gift. Would you be open to that idea?
I would love it.
पता भी नहीं, मैं वैसे बोल दिया, मैंने कहा पता नहीं produce
Thank you so much. But yes, that is a great, and especially because 14th August is coming also.
Yes, I would love to. In fact, I would like to be as forward as saying, Huma, I would want to work with you. हम break पे जाएंगे तो we'll figure it out. I want to create this as a giveaway for my friends, and I would love to work with you for that.
That's
ठीक है, let's do it. And आप सबके लिए आप जा सकते हैं wearx TSD. That's the Instagram page. वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हैं. यू विल सी अमेजिंग वर्क बाय रिनाउंड पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट. आमतौर पे जब हम इनकी पेंटिंग्स देखते हैं, मुझे जैसे लोग तो देखते हैं, कहते हैं यार आई एम गोना ब्रेक अ बैंक इफ आई ट्राई टू ओन वन. बट यू कैन ओन अ फैशन पीस which is permitted by the artist to be printed on something that you can cherish for life. So go ahead and take a look at that. Huma, thank you very much for being so pioneering and for making time for us.
Thank you so much.